Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and accessing the base. This protects you and the machine. Once done, remove the kickplate and towel any pooled water so you can see components. You'll inspect the float switch and sump area first because a stuck float or simple debris often triggers the check water message. Make sure to also unplug or lock the breaker. You don't want the pump to energize while your hands are inside. This quick access step prevents damage and sets up the next diagnostic actions. Once the filter and sump are accessible, remove the filter assembly and pick out any glass, utensils, or sludge that can trap water. Next, detach the drain hose at the sink or pump and run water through it to confirm flow. Kinks or a clogged hose often cause check water errors. Also look at the pump impeller and float. If the float won't move freely or the impeller is broken, the dishwasher can't sense or move water properly, so you may need to clean or replace those parts. You reassemble the filter and kickplate, restore power, and run a short rinse or diagnostic cycle to verify water sensing and drainage. If the check water message clears, the job is done. If it returns, try resetting the control board per the manual because firmware hiccups can latch errors. If reset fails, replace the confirmed faulty component, float switch, pump, or hose. Finally, if the issue persists, stop and call Bosch service. Having error codes and part numbers ready speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.